Hi everybody. I just wanted to do a quick live today. I'm really excited. One of the projects I've been working on is finished, and I wanted to share it with everybody out there. So if you haven't met me already, my name is Dr. Amy, and I offer people advice, tools, and knowledge so that they can build their own healthy foundation. Today, I want to share with you this little project. I have been making tinctures. So I decided to plant a vegetable garden this year, and I also planted some herbs. And thankfully, some of those herbs did really, really well. And I apologize, my voice is kind of soft. We've been battling respiratory viruses here in our home for 2 weeks. So today is the first day that I felt a little bit better. So I decided to get on here and share. So one of the things I decided to do, because I had an abundance of herbs, more than I could dry, is to make a couple of tinctures. And to do that, and they're about done now. So these have been sitting in the fridge for 2 months. I decided to make one with mint. This is the mint. And the other one I made is with lemon balm. So you can see the liquid at the top is really dark. A tincture is made with alcohol, so you can get basically 100% alcohol or 98%, as close as you can get it. I won't put the recipes up here because it depends on what you want to do with the tinctures, but you take the herbs or the plant leaves and put them in the jar, and then you cover them with alcohol and let them sit. And then eventually all of the oils and the goodness gets extracted out of the leaves. And then you are left with a concentrated tincture that you can use either for cooking or for medicinal purposes. If you are worried about gluten or gluten sensitivity, then make sure you get grain-free alcohol. You can also do a process like this using glycerin and make a glycerite. That's a little bit different process. Unfortunately, the shelf life is not as good when you don't use alcohol, but you need a food scale, and again, the recipe depends on what you want to do with it. But both mint and lemon balm are very calming and good for the nervous system. Lemon balm can help with concentration and focus and calming anxiety in the mind. Mint is also good for digestion and headaches and mental clarity. So I wanted to go ahead and try these, and then hopefully we'll get to test out the recipes now. So at this point, like I said, they've been sitting in my fridge, distilling out for 2 months. So the last part of the project is for me to filter them. So I have my cheesecloth here. I'm going to use some cheesecloth and a strainer. And then once I get it filtered, I ordered these ambered or blue glass bottles. If you're making a tincture or something like that, you want to be sure you have a colored glass, and that will help protect your tincture from being destroyed by light. And now that these are both done, they can have they have a pantry life of about a year or so. So I'm pretty excited, and they look like they turned out pretty well. And like I said, your final concentration is going to be dependent on your recipe and what you're planning on doing with it, but it worked, so I'm excited to get to go ahead and finish these up and get these stored. And now that they're finished cooking, so to speak, then they can hang out in my pantry, and then we can use them throughout the winter and next spring. And then hopefully we'll have enough to last, because winter has set in here in Ohio. We're having hard freezes overnight. So I did my last harvest of herbs and things a couple days ago, and it takes me a few days to get all the herbs dried and processed. But so that's my finished tincture, and I will also post some photos about what it looked like and how the process went if you're interested. And I hope you'll have a great day. Talk to you soon.